Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Ariana Grande makeup look for the song Position. Now as you can see, the makeup is already done. All is left to do is the eyes, and that's like the most trickiest part, and I see people are into that kind of look. So the face, I will be showing this whole entire video like where I do everything but with no voiceover. But for this I'm just going to be showing the eyes. I'm going to be using the Exotic palette by Signature. This is what it looks like on the inside. It was the most affordable palette for this look. It retails for 95 Rand from Signature, and no, I'm not sponsored for this video. So if you guys like to see how to do this makeup look, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, this palette comes with a little brush that I just dipped into these things. There is the color Dreams, Goldie, Serious Pink, Rose Gold, Orchid, Bronze Drama, followed by Cream, Lilac, Clay, Love, Slate, Ginger, Passion. Now, coming up for this look, I think we're just going to be using the one Passion, Cream, and maybe a little bit of Bronze, Goldie, or Dreams, any one of those. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is prepping my eyes. I am going in with some concealer. I'm using the Essence concealer. Just going to dip that and put a little bit on my beauty blender. And then I'm just going to blend this part. Okay, now I'm going to dip in with this brush that they have given me. I'm dipping into the color Passion. The pigment is so bomb. And then I'm just going to cut out like a wing, but like a drastic kind of wing, but like the outline. So guys, what do you rate my hair? This is the hairstyle that she is using in the video. So what do you guys rate my hair? Let me know down in the comment section. And now what I'm going to do is just get a thin brush to blend out with. Now I'm going in so that I can do like this kind of cut crease that she does. And now what I'm going to do is just grab a flat brush and then go back in with cream and just lay that on top here. Okay guys, the flat brush is not working. Oh, I do need a flat brush. Well, I do need a flat brush. So now guys, what I'm gonna go in is with a kind of fluffy, flattish kind of brush and just go in and pat this down so I can set it. I will neaten everything up once I'm done, so it's not gonna actually look like it's looking. Next I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to go back in with cream and pat that down. To lightly brush over with some bronze, the color bronze. I'm just going to lightly brush that color over. It's like a glitter color, but like you can't see it, but you can see it if you look up close. Can you guys see it? Okay, I hope you guys can. Anyway, now it's time for liner. She got like this little teeny tiny wing, and I think when I was in like school I used to want to do that type of wing. So now it's time to color up my lashes. I'm going to be filling with the lash color. I'm going to pop on some mascara. I'm using the Essence mascara, just a little tiny bit. pause while I'm at it. Switching the positions for you. Just lifting up these lashes. Just like this one is a little bit more like what's there? Just gonna get that. Yeah. Just a little bit. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with some eyeliner. And now for the mascara. Now I just want to go and neaten up the ends of my eyes, just a tiny bit. So guys, this is how it turned out. It's neat, very clean. The hair, I like the hair. Couldn't find a black hairband, so to use like a pinkish color hairband. So let me know in the comment section what you think about it, whether you like it, whether it's too much. So yeah, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.